Hello and welcome back. This is video number 9. Let's talk about ad sets. So earlier we talked about campaigns. Within campaigns we have ad sets, and within ad sets we have ads. So within ad sets you're able to tell Facebook who you want to target. So having that avatar profile on hand is crucial for this part. So with that said, let's dive in. Okay, so like I said, in ad set, you have the ability to change the ad set name. So within a campaign, you can have several different ad sets. And so for example, if you're doing scuba diving, you could do an ad set for just males or just females, or males of a specific age or females of a specific age or specific interests. You could target specific jobs. So they could be different ad sets. And that's what it is. So what you would do here is you would click this here. You would choose the specific product that you're promoting in the pixel. Now, what dynamic creative is it says provide individual assets like images, headlines, and it'll automatically optimize. So in layman terms, what that means is, let's say, for example, that you upload in the ad 3 different images, 3 different texts, 3 different headlines, and 3 different call to actions. What Facebook is going to do is it's going to create all different variations of those combinations. It's going to run the ads, and it's going to figure out of those ads which text, which headline converts the best, which image converts the best, and it's going to run the traffic to that ad. So instead of you trying to figure that out, you allow Facebook's very smart algorithm to figure that out. So in order to do that, you would select Dynamic Creative and click Continue. Now, for the sake of simplicity, we're not going to do that right here, but that's there if you want to. Now, offer, it says drive more conversions by creating an offer people can save and get reminders about. So you can do that as well here. Next, we have audience. So like we said earlier, one cool thing is if you go to Audience Insights and you do the research, you can actually save that audience, and then you can select the audience here. All right, so use a saved audience. Now, we're going to do everyone in the United States from the ages, remember we saw 25 to about 54. Like so. Now, because we're in the United States, language we can leave blank. Now, detailed targeting. This would include the interest. So this could be scuba diving. Now, let me delete that. We selected the employers to make sure that you choose the right one. So we can see interest. It has 28 million people. That's a good sign. And we're going to uncheck that. We're going to leave it at automatic placements. Daily budget, conversions. So what this is going to do is it's going to optimize for conversions. Now, conversion window. What this means is you have 1-day click or 7-day click. Basically, in essence, usually you choose 1-day click if somebody clicks through to your ad and they make a purchase. If it takes them a long time or a long period to click through, then you want to do 7 days click. Now you can read more about this and how it works over here. So next thing we want to do is click continue. And that's it. So now we have created our ad set. So as you can imagine, you can create multiple ad sets, as you saw, because it's 29 million for scuba diving. I can split that up and do one ad set for male, one ad set for females, one ad set maybe for Hawaii, one ad set maybe for Florida. So you can have several different ad sets and then figure out which one works the best. So now let's talk about the ad, which is the next video. Congratulations, you've reached the end of this course. This is video number 10. And in this video, we're going to talk about ads. So now you can take your creatives, your images, your text, your headlines, your sales copy essentially for your ad, and we can set that up within the ad level. So to give you more practical information, let's dive in and jump over to Facebook. Okay, so this is the ad, and what you want to do first is up at the top, you're going to want to choose the Facebook fan page that you're going to advertise from. Next, right here, you're going to select the Instagram profile if you have one. If you don't and you're not advertising to Instagram, don't worry about it. The next thing is format, which is different types of ways that Facebook will show your ad. So you can show your ad via multiple images in a carousel format. You can show one image like most of you are used to, or a video, or a group of items that opens into a full screen mobile experience. And most of you are going to use this one or this one. So this one is a single image or a video. So all you have to do is select that and scroll down. So you have the opportunity to choose an image or a video. Now, like I said, if you did choose the dynamic creative, then it will give you the opportunity to add multiple ads or multiple images or multiple videos. So you can upload the image that you have access to, or you can select free stock images. Now, at this point, you could select your account, your page, your Instagram, and what it'll do is it'll pull the images from those assets. So we typed in scuba, we could select one of these images. It says watermark won't appear in the final image. So that's good. So even though you see the watermark, it will not appear in the final image. We'll click continue, and it'll say enter the text for your ad. You can enter the text here. So the text is essentially going to appear at the top of your image. So if we take a look at one of the ad previews here, so when you see the ad, it's going to appear above the image, this right here. The website URL that you want to send them to is going to be here, and the headline is going to be right here. So you can, if you enter the website URL, display the URL here. And then you have the headline, you have the call to action, which appears to the further right. Let's see if we can move that over, but it's going to be on the right hand side. So the call to action can be learn more, apply now, book now, contact us. So it really depends on your offer, and you can go from there. And there we go. Now you can enter a display link, a newsfeed link description, but oftentimes we leave these blank. You got URL parameters. If you're not familiar with this, don't enter anything here. Basically, this allows you to track if you have a tracking system. And that's it.